Let me show you how to remove and replace backgrounds in ComfyUI like a pro. Open ComfyUI, go to Extensions. In the search bar, type Remove Background Set, install the extension, then click Apply Changes. Now close and restart ComfyUI. Next, click on Templates and search for Remove Background. Select the Change Background template. Now, upload 2 images, your main image and your background image. Then run the workflow. The background already replaced, but we can make it look better. To improve the result, you need both images to match in size. Go back to Extensions, search for ComfyUI KJ Nodes, install it, then apply changes and restart ComfyUI again. Now, return to your workflow. Right-click, add Node, KJ Nodes, Image, Resize, Image v2. Connect it between your image loader and the background removal node. Set the resize to match your background size. Use bilinear, upscale method, and set key proportion to pad. Now run it again. And there you have it, a clean, professional product image ready for your catalog.